What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the key elements of a high converting, high selling bonus page. Also, you're going to find out the type of structure you need for a successful bonus page, where to place your bonuses, and the key component of a successful bonus page is educating your audience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get more tutorials and guides just like this one. And stay until the end to get my page builder and my templates, okay? My high converting templates that I've tested numerous times over. Okay, now I'm gonna show you all the successful elements of a bonus page. Now, if you don't know what a bonus page is, basically it's a type of bridge page where you incentivize the sale so that people buy through your link, right? So you're adding extra value and support if people get XYZ product via your link, okay? So first thing you want to do is, here you are in your WordPress dashboard. You want to go to pages and create a new page. Now there are a variety of page builders out there. I use Thrive Architect for a number of reasons. You can check out the link below. One of the best reasons why I use Thrive Architect is because it's beautiful, but you don't have to pay a recurring cost. It's a one-time fee. So I'm gonna just write out the name, the headline for this example. Let's put in Thrive Example. Okay, Thrive Example. Click Publish. Okay, once I do that, I'm gonna click the Launch Thrive Architect button. Now, depending on your page builder, there's different access points. Maybe it's not on your WordPress blog. Maybe it's on the cloud. For example, if you use ClickFunnels, everything's cloud-based with them. Okay, with Thrive Architect, for example, it's a plugin that turns your website into a giant page editor. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for this to load. Okay, that was quick. Okay, now if you want, there are a ton of pre-built templates here. Each one of these little squares will give you a sales page, a thank you page, a bridge page, a webinar page, all kinds of things. Okay, for example, you can create a missed page here, a confirmation page, yada yada yada. I've tested a number of different templates, and I've created my own. Okay, so I'm gonna actually get access to that right now. And if you want these templates for yourself, just check out the information below. So it says import landing page. I've already imported it. So if you can import it, you can put it, you just drop it into the upload file if you have access to that. But I already have it here. It's right here. It's my bridge page / bonus page. All right, so here we are. And let me show you how this all works. Okay, so here we are on a very successful template. I get high conversions with this template because it's laid out in a very particular way. Okay, first thing I do is I have a limited time bar up here, XYZ review, or you put in the name of whatever offer you are offering. Okay, XYZ review and bonuses. Grab it all here. This is for people who do impulse buys. Okay, people who do impulse buys. Okay, so that's up there. Okay, so then we have the next section here. I recommend you don't touch this if you have this template, or if you're using another page builder to add this in. My transparent review. Okay, and then you have an image of the product here. Okay, so in this case, it's called Puma Products. Okay. Now, the main point of your bonus page, this is very important. The main point is not to sell. Okay, you're not selling. You are informing. You are educating. Okay, you want to let everyone. You want to give people a sneak peek into this product. Really important to understand. Okay, so after you have my transparent review, you have the image of whatever product you are trying to sell here. Okay, by the way, you can change that image by going to replace image and uploading your own image of whatever product you want to sell. Just click on the image, click on the element, and click replace. You can of course change the size of the image, okay, and the height. You can do all kinds of really cool things, okay. Also, down here towards the bottom, you can see it on a tablet. You can also see it on a mobile phone. Make sure everything looks good. So this looks whack here, so I'm gonna straighten that out because I was just playing with it. Okay, perfect. Okay, good. Let's go back to the desktop version. Oh, by the way, you always want to check. Don't worry about template. I'm sorry. Don't worry about the tablet. The tablet always coincides with the desktop most of the time. You want to focus on the mobile aspect because sometimes the mobile aspect is a little bit different. You want to fix it up so it gels perfectly with the feel of the page. Okay. So now we have my transparent review. Okay. You put the logo or image of whatever product you have here, and then you want to use the same headline that the affiliate offer uses, right? XYZ affiliate offer. So whatever it says, if it says learn how to speak Japanese fluently in 6 months, then you're gonna want to put learn how to speak Japanese fluently in 6 months. Okay. Then there's a video here. I use YouTube. Okay, so here you have my YouTube link. I can swap any YouTube video. Let's swap this YouTube video, copy that, drop it in here, okay? And this is a type of YouTube video that doesn't use my real face, okay? Actually, this one does. The one I just had that didn't use my real face. It's just an avatar with a voiceover, very much like what I'm doing now, okay? Then you add your video, and then you want to put in the affiliate offer's name is live now, okay? And then here on this big red button, you have your target link. You want to add your link here, okay? So next is what is XYZ about? And that's where you just inform, you just write down. And I recommend you break up the paragraphs, okay? Maybe 1 or 2 sentences at max. You don't want to have 4 sentences all bunched up together because people are going to be skimming through this, okay? So they get informed of the product. If there are any upgrades or OTOs, you list them with their price. Now, yes, this is going to put off some people, but again, you are helping your audience. You want to inform your audience, really important. Inform them on what the OTOs are, okay? So, and this one has a lot of OTOs, unfortunately. So you want to inform them on the OTOs and the price. You have different colors to highlight. So here, for example, OTO 4, how to learn 2,000 Japanese words in a week. And let's say that's a 197, and then Ike will show you how to learn 2,000 Japanese words in a week, for example, okay? And then this is really important, the key XYZ benefits, okay? Okay, so benefit number 1, I would say, let's go with this theme of learning Japanese. Learn Japanese fast. Speak naturally. Speak Japanese naturally. And yes, there are affiliate offers for Japanese courses, by the way. There's affiliate offers for everything I should say. Okay, learn Japanese fast, speak Japanese naturally, build confidence. Oh, okay, no, pronunciation. Get your pronunciation on point. Learn the words to avoid. For example, right? I'm just giving you a little quick demo, okay? Now, if it has a money back guarantee listed here, make sure you put in the correct number. It's usually 30 days. I know with ClickBanks, most offers are 60 days. Okay, so just add that in here. And again, you want to add your, you want to add your affiliate link right here, okay? Whatever that may be. And then custom XYZ bonuses, okay? You want to add the total value you're offering, okay? So I use all the bonuses I use are bonuses I created. Most of the time they're bonuses I created, and they're bonuses based off of what works for me. So I'm in one of the niches I'm in is the internet marketing niche. So my bonuses have a high amount of value. I base this number on the amount I've made using the information I'm giving away with my bonuses, right? So in this example, custom XYZ bonuses, you put in the total value, right? So you can calculate this any way you want. So for example, learning Japanese, how much money did you spend to learn Japanese, and all the useful tips and tricks that's helped you to learn Japanese along the way. How much did that cost you? You want to put that in here, okay? You know, be factual, okay? And then bonus templates, okay? So bonus, you got bonus number 1 in big font. Sorry, in big lettering here. Bonus number 1, and you write in, what is it? A template, a resource, a tutorial, a guide. You write that in here. And this is some of the aspects of Thrive Architect. You have these different, you have the star rating. Of course, I give all my bonuses 5 stars because I believe in them. And I also like to add, recently, I find this converts even better, is to add the logo of the product you're offering within the bonus product. Oh, sorry, within the bonus block here, okay? And also, you can change up the text to whatever fits the bonus that you're offering. So let's say I'm offering the best Japanese learning app, for example. Okay. And then I have these little icons here that I can change color anytime I want. I can change I can change this to bright yellow. I can change the type of icon. Let's go with let's see what they have here. They have so many icons. I just love this little portion right here. Let's put in this thing right here. Whatever. No, actually, let's go with American flag here. Click select. That didn't go in. 1 second. Here we go. Flag. Click select. There we go. Click the flag there. I can increase the size of the flag. Do whatever I want. Of course, you're gonna add your link right here. Okay. So you're gonna list your bonuses down, and you're gonna have your first bonus, your second bonus. In this case, it's a tutorial. You can add your bonuses any way you want. Okay. So you want to scroll down, and again, I have at least 5 or 6 bonuses depending on the product. And if, for example, your affiliate product has bonuses included, you want to add them in the last and final bonus. For example, 6th bonus, exclusive bonus, you get all vendor bonuses for said product. Now, if there aren't any bonuses for that product, you just want to come over here and click the trash button and delete that, okay? Now, as you can see, there's a really cool effect. If I save this and click preview, check this out. I'm going to show you this really cool effect that these different elements have, okay? So if I scroll down here, there's my video. If I scroll down here, you can see that the images in the background are dynamic. They move along as I scroll, okay? It's really cool. Now you can change up those images any way you want. If you, for example, let's go here. I can just click on the background, go to this replace image, and let's say I want to put in this image, just for example's sake. Insert that. Now this is a bad idea, of course, because you want something darker because my font here is black. But here's an example, right? Okay, and then your audience will scroll down. They will see whatever product you have here, and of course another option to buy right here. Then you also, this is really important. These are my opinions and thoughts about this method. Now, if it's a method, if it's a software, if it's whatever type of product, learning app, make sure you add it in here. All contact information and disclaimer details can be found below. Thank you for checking out my review and tailor-made bonuses to your success. So to your success, to your happiness, to take care, all the best, whatever makes sense for your crowd, okay? Now, of course, you're gonna have your site name here. You're gonna, of course, have your link to your site here, okay? And this is very important, especially if you wanna do paid ads, okay? So I'm gonna, of course, if this is your site, you're gonna replace your site here, okay? You're gonna have your terms of use, your contact us, privacy policy, about us, FTC, of course. You're gonna link all of these to your terms of use, your contact us, and about us, FTC. If you don't know how to build those, I'm gonna have a link down below and show you how to build them automatically, okay? And very important, because this is an affiliate offer and not my product, I'm gonna have an affiliate disclaimer at the very bottom, just like that, okay? Now, if there's scarcity involved, you wanna go to your Thrive Architect button here. These are all the elements, so you can add your elements anytime you want. You can add, for example, a countdown clock. I'm gonna add that right now. At the bottom now, there's a countdown clock. I'm gonna drag it up. This is, again, very drag and drop. It's very intuitive, right? And then I can change it over here. So I click on the actual countdown clock. Let's say this is gonna end in 23 hours, okay, for example, and text to show on complete. This offer is done, for example. You can do that, and then of course save your work. Always save your work, and that's pretty much it. I want to go down once more with you, showing you how to create your bonus page. Okay, you're gonna have a limited time. XYZ review plus bonuses and bonuses. Grab it all here at the very top, and then state it's your transparent review of this product. And then again, you want to use the same headline that your affiliate offer uses. You're gonna put a video here explaining exactly what your affiliate product does. Again, you're not selling, you're just informing, okay? Then you're gonna have your buy button here. Then you're gonna have, of course, a short little explainer of what the product's about. Reveal any OTOs or upgrades if there are any at all, okay? Then go down to your key benefits, and then you're gonna jump into these custom bonuses that, of course, will correlate with the product you're selling, okay? There you go, that's it. If you want this template, for example, and my squeeze page template and my thank you page template, all of them, again, I use on a daily basis to get leads and convert them into sales. Make sure you check out the Thrive Architect review page I have down below, okay? And I'll have information about the bonuses that I just went over, okay? So let me know what you think. You don't have to get Thrive Architect. To me, it's the cheapest. It's one of the cheapest out there, and it looks beautiful, right? It's a good balance of just professional looking, page builder plus affordability. There are no recurring fees at all. That's one of the things I love about this. So make sure you check it out down below. If you have any questions, let me know. Okay, be good and take care. This is Ike saying like and subscribe.